Struggling to get more views on YouTube? Don't worry, you're not alone. Getting your videos seen by millions isn't as easy as it used to be. YouTube's always changing things up, like their algorithms, and viewers are pickier than ever. What worked last year might not cut it anymore. That's why we're about to dive deep into 7 strategies to crack the YouTube code in 2024. We're talking simple but crazy effective tactics that actually get results. Get ready because we're about to transform your channel from zero to viral. Let's do this. First up, let's talk about your video title and thumbnail. Think of it like a flashy store sign. It grabs attention. Your title needs to grab attention. Use numbers and powerful words. Make it impossible to scroll past your video. And the thumbnail? Show off. Bright colors, bold fonts, and an image that screams, "Watch me." Now you got them to click, but can you keep them watching? YouTube cares about one thing more than anything: watch time. The longer people watch your videos, the more YouTube says, "Hey, this is good stuff, let's show it to everyone." Start strong. Your intro needs to hook viewers in the first few seconds. Tease what's coming, ask a question, or do something completely unexpected, and keep that energy up throughout the entire video. Remember, editing is your best friend. Cut out the fluff, keep it fast-paced, and keep those viewers on the edge of their seats. Trust me, no one wants to watch paint dry, they want action. Want to know the secret to going viral? Jump on those trending topics. What's everyone talking about? Use tools like Google Trends and YouTube Trends to see what's hot right now, and create content around those topics. Think about it, when everyone's hyped about the Super Bowl, you better believe I'm making a Super Bowl challenge. Holidays, news events, viral trends. Get creative and capitalize on what people are already searching for. Remember, timing is everything. Be quick, be relevant, and watch those views skyrocket. Listen up because this is huge. YouTube Shorts are blowing up right now. These short, snappy videos are like a shot of espresso for your channel. They're easy to watch, super shareable, and can bring in a ton of new viewers. Think of it like this. Sometimes you don't have time for a whole feast, you just need a quick snack. Shorts are those bite-sized pieces of content that keep people coming back for more. Repurpose your long-form content into shorts, create behind-the-scenes snippets, or try out fun challenges and skits. Get creative, have fun, and watch your channel grow. Chapter 5. 2 heads are better than one. Collaborate and conquer YouTube. You know what's better than being awesome alone? Teaming up with other awesome YouTubers. Collaborations are like a superpower for growth. You get to tap into each other's audiences, gain new subscribers, and have more fun in the process. Reach out to creators in your niche and brainstorm some epic video ideas. Do a challenge, a collab review, or even just a fun Q&A together. The possibilities are endless. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Chapter 6. Consistency is key. The power of an upload schedule. Imagine this. You walk past a bakery every day, but it's only open randomly. Are you going to keep checking back? Probably not. The same goes for YouTube. You got to be consistent. Set an upload schedule that works for you, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even more. The key is to be reliable. When YouTube knows when to expect your content, it's more likely to promote your videos. Just like training for a marathon, consistency is key to success. Chapter 7. Don't be shy, use calls to action. Okay, you've got awesome content, you're being consistent, but are you asking for what you want? Don't be afraid to use calls to action. Tell people to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Encourage them to leave a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. The more engagement your videos get, the more YouTube will push them out there. Remember, it never hurts to ask. 7 killer strategies to take your YouTube channel from zero to hero. Optimize your titles and thumbnails, master watch time, ride trending topics, leverage shorts, collaborate with creators, stay consistent, and use calls to action. Now it's your turn. Pick a strategy and start today. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this video. Thanks for watching.